Welcome back to Spy Garage.
The brand's dedication to luxury, innovation, and excellence in the recreational vehicle sector is carried over with the 2026 Tiffin Motorhomes. Tiffin, which is renowned for its painstaking craftsmanship and customer-focused philosophy, is about to launch models that will further improve the motorhome experience. Here's a thorough look at what to anticipate. Tiffin Motorhomes are known for their exquisite interiors, which are characterized by premium materials, intricate design details, and painstaking attention to detail. Anticipate modern interior design options, high-end furniture, and sophisticated lighting systems that produce a cozy and welcoming ambience. A focus on residential-style living quarters, featuring opulent bedrooms, cozy living areas, and well-equipped kitchens. Improved comfort, ergonomic designs, sophisticated climate control systems, and noise reduction technology will all help make travel more pleasant and comfortable. The feeling of luxury will be further enhanced by features like spa-like bathrooms, luxurious mattresses, and heated tile floors. Developments in technology, smart home integration, several motorhome features, including entertainment systems, climate control, and lighting, can be easily controlled through the integration of smart home technologies. Travelers will stay connected while on the road thanks to advanced communication choices like satellite systems and high-speed internet. Advanced driver assist systems, by incorporating technologies like adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and collision prevention, advanced driver assist systems, ADAS, will improve driving safety and convenience. Drivers will have access to real-time entertainment and information thanks to upgraded infotainment and navigation systems. Energy efficiency. Tiffin will keep looking into ways to increase energy efficiency, including the use of energy-efficient appliances, solar panels, and sophisticated storage systems. Tiffin Motorhomes provide a solid and comfortable ride by using premium chassis from reliable suppliers. Advances in chassis technology, such as better handling and suspension systems, are anticipated. Strong powertrains. Strong and effective engines will supply enough power to traverse a variety of terrains. Modern drivetrain systems and transmissions will make for a responsive and comfortable ride. Important model factors. The luxury diesel pusher features of this type are well known. In 2026, there will be exterior and interior renovations, as well as new pet-friendly alternatives. Additionally, the exterior and interior characteristics of this model have been improved. Provides a variety of floor plans to suit a wide range of lifestyles. With its cutting-edge innovations and unparalleled power, this model maintains the opulent features for which Tiffin is renowned. A blend of luxury, performance, and technology, the 2026 Tiffin Motorhomes will appeal to discriminating tourists looking for the best recreational vehicle experiences. Tiffin's dedication to quality and innovation will guarantee that their motorhomes remain the industry standard.